Today we've got to go back to Sasha and get some more fuel. On the way back to Sasha, we're going to go past Crab Island and do some croc spotting with the drone. So the tide's dropping out and we've got to get a move on before that wind comes up. Let's go. On the way back to Sasha, we pass Crab Island. This island is a turtle breeding ground and is also home to the Australian saltwater crocodile. This is going to be a great time to check out the big crocs on this island. I'm going to try and get the drone nice and close. Coming right in on them now. There's two big boys there. The boat's in the background there. Which one's the biggest one? The one sitting out in the sandbar there. Let's come in on him. It was amazing to see how many crocs were in this small area. The crocs on this island have adapted a very unique style of hunting. They come up onto the beach and eat the turtle hatchlings before they can make it into the water. After some croc spotting, it was time to make our way onto Sasha.